Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Color Nymph Beginner Makeup Kit, a vibrant, all-in-one makeup set designed specifically for teens and makeup enthusiasts looking to add some color to their collection. This makeup kit includes everything you need to create stunning looks, whether you're just starting out or you're a pro at experimenting with bold shades. Inside, you'll find 36 eyeshadows, 4 blushes, a bronzer, a highlighter, 4 lip glosses, 10 lip oils, 3 glitter creams, an eyeliner pencil, lip liner, and 6 brushes, all housed in a cute reusable mint green handbag. It's a comprehensive package that promises both fun and practicality, all in one. Using the Color Nymph Beginner Makeup Kit was a fun experience. The makeup is packaged neatly, making it easy to store, and the handbag adds a lovely touch of convenience. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented, and they blend well, allowing for easy application. Even the lip products, whether it's the glosses or the lip oils, were smooth and comfortable on the lips. I especially appreciated how the kit catered to a wide range of looks, from bold and dramatic to more neutral styles. When it comes to performance, this makeup kit truly delivers. The eyeshadows stay put for hours thanks to their waterproof, long-lasting formula, which means you won't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. I put this to the test with a full day of wear, and I can confidently say that the makeup didn't fade or smudge. The powders in the kit are delicate and soft with minimal fallout, which is fantastic for beginners who want an easy application process. There are, of course, both pros and cons. On the positive side, this set is incredibly versatile, with a wide range of colors and products for different makeup looks. The fact that it's hypoallergenic and preservative-free is also a huge plus, especially for younger users with sensitive skin. However, on the downside, the quality of the brushes could be slightly better, as they feel a little flimsy compared to high-end brushes. While they do the job, more sturdy brushes would have made the application process smoother. Compared to similar products on the market, Color Nymph stands out for its variety. While other beginner makeup sets often focus on just eyeshadows or lip products, this kit includes a complete range of items to cater to your full face makeup needs. In terms of price, it offers great value for the quantity of items included, though it may not rival more premium brands when it comes to brush quality. In terms of build quality, the products themselves are well constructed. The eyeshadow powders are finely milled, which helps with blending, and the packaging is sturdy enough to withstand daily use. The handbag is a nice bonus. It's lightweight, portable, and reusable, which adds extra value to the set. For user-friendliness, this makeup kit is ideal for beginners. The clear organization of products and the inclusion of essential tools like brushes, lip liners, and sharpeners make it easy for anyone to jump right in. It's also great for teens who might be learning the ropes of makeup and want to experiment without feeling overwhelmed by too many choices. Now, if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to make sure you never miss out on our latest content. Your support helps us bring more great reviews like this one. One standout feature of this kit is how safe it is for the skin. Given its hypoallergenic and non-toxic nature, it's a great option for younger users, providing peace of mind while experimenting with makeup. The color payoff is impressive, and the set is definitely durable enough to last through regular use. As for customer support, I've had no issues, and there aren't any glaring negative feedbacks on that front. When it comes to real-world testing, this kit holds up well under a variety of conditions, whether you're attending a casual hangout or going for a full glam look for an event. I tested the waterproof claims by wearing the makeup during a rainy day, and it stayed in place without any smudging or fading. It's definitely a great option for someone on the go. As of now, there haven't been any updates or revisions to this kit, which is perfectly fine for a beginner product. It's ready to use straight out of the box. So, what's my final verdict? The Color Nymph Beginner Makeup Kit is a fantastic value for those just starting their makeup journey or anyone looking for a fun, colorful addition to their collection. Its versatility, safe ingredients, and wide range of products make it a solid choice, especially for teens. While the brush quality could be improved, The overall performance and design make it a product worth recommending. This kit is best suited for beginners, teens, or anyone who enjoys experimenting with vibrant makeup looks. It's not just for casual use, it offers everything you need to create bold, standout styles. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Color Nymph Beginner Makeup Kit, you can find the link in the description below. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. If you've used it, we'd love to hear your feedback. Until next time, keep exploring new beauty products here at Beautyistic.